Give some to Sammy, please. Hold on. Okay. Wait, take the spoon back because she might choke on it.
Check.
Yeah, go ahead. Take the spoon back from her though so she doesn't make a mess, okay?
Sammy.
Sammy, please give the spoon to Isabella, Sammy. I know. Please give it to Isabella. Go ahead and take it, Isabella. It's okay to take it from her. Just grab it with your hand and take it from her. Okay? Take this end here. She hasn't been chewing on that. It doesn't have her spit on it. Go ahead, grab it, quick. Grab it, go, go, go. There you go. Grab it, grab it. Oh, gotta be quick. You gotta be quick. Go, go, go.
No.
You want me to do it?
I do.
Okay, I'll get it. Thank you, Sammy. We need that back, honey. Okay.